Picture this. You're a sales rep, it's the end of the quarter, and your pipeline's looking just a little bit thin. So you grab a list and send 100 generic emails hoping that one person responds. But that's like throwing spaghetti against the wall. It kills your reputation faster than it fills your pipeline. It's also a big waste of spaghetti. Hi there, I'm Jeff Steen from Salesforce, and I want to talk to you today about how to do prospecting the right way and how to manage it with the help of AI. So let's get started. What is sales prospecting? Well, at its core, it's how you build your pipeline. Finding, researching, and reaching out to people who are likely to buy. Now do it right and you fill your calendar with quality meetings. But if you do it wrong, you can waste your whole week chasing dead ends. Okay, that's the core of sales prospecting, but how do you actually do it? It's a 3-stage process. Stage 1 is research. This is key. It's where you define your ideal customer, the right title, the right industry, the right pain points, all of which you can address and solve. In other words, they're the people you want to go after. You need to gather the right kind of information so that your outreach can touch a nerve. This goes deeper than finding names. You're hunting for real pain points and needs, things that your product might be able to solve for or address. Now, most reps burn hours here before sending even a single email. It's a lot of time spent scrolling instead of selling, and let's be honest, you're probably getting distracted by a cat video or two. If you think this is a grind, you're not alone. Most reps are still spending about 60% of their week on busy work like this. But we'll talk about a solve for that in a little bit. Stage 2 is outreach. Now, once you have your list, you're cold calling, you're emailing, you're messaging on social, you're starting conversations from scratch. When you frame your initial message, be sure to incorporate some of the connection points you found during your research. LinkedIn connections, engagement with mutual contacts, and so all of this helps you build rapport. That's the key to opening the door to conversation. But even then, though, it can be tough. I mean, think about it. When is the last time you actually answered a call from someone you didn't know? No wonder half of reps say that cold outreach is the worst part of their job. Okay, stage 3, qualification. You've got your list, you've sent your emails or made the cold calls, you've actually gotten responses. So now you have to determine if the folks you've contacted are actually good fits for what you're selling. So you start asking questions. How interested are they in your product? Do they have the authority to make a decision? How likely are they to buy? Now here's the wrinkle. Traditionally, you had to do all of this by hand. It was a real time sink. Hundreds of calls, emails to track, and you might spend hours chasing a dead lead. Who has time for all of that? You could keep doing it this way, and most reps do, but the top performers are working harder. They're using a digital workforce. That's where AI agents come in. They're digital teammates that reason, act on your behalf, and learn from your guidance. And they can handle specific sales functions. A prospect agent, for example, digs through data to find people who match your ideal customer profile and then ranks these prospects by likelihood to buy. It sounds like a lifesaver to me. A best case scenario, you can onboard these agents quickly and see results fast. With Prospecting Agent from Agentforce Sales, for example, you can set up rules and customizations using plain language to deliver the exact kind of prospect lists and engagement that you want. Put all that together and the magic happens. You grab your coffee and your AI agent is already doing the research and compiling a list of high-value prospects. And it's all designed to get you to that booked meeting faster. Even better, it works around the clock, filling your pipeline with high-value prospects even when you sleep. That means more hot leads delivered to you, ready to engage with when you log in every single morning. And that's the shift. From throwing spaghetti at the wall to knowing exactly who to target and why. Check out the link in the description to watch the full demo of Agentforce Sales Prospecting Agent in action. And do me a favor. In the comments below, tell me where you see the most benefit from using a prospecting agent, and how else you'd like to see agents used in sales. Plus, don't forget to like and subscribe for more breakdowns like this. See you next time.